Hello, welcome, good morning to Lisbon Tourism Summit, the third edition, 2020, crazy year, crazy program. To kick off this fantastic day focused on tourism and mainly on two big topics, to debate and discuss how tourism can become more sustainable and how we can accelerate the recovery of post-COVID, which are two key topics to the future and present of tourism.
The excellent work that the Lisbon Tourism Summit has been making throughout these years with the support of Turismo de Portugal. It has been really a pleasure for us to have you on board.
The Lisbon Tourism Summit became, I think today it is, one annual event where we gather innovators and corporates and the industry as a whole to discuss current challenges of the sector, and also how can innovation, how can technology be an enabler and problem solver of some of the issues of the industry.
On the other side, we want to give space to the startups to show already what they're doing, thanks to the collaboration with corporate partners that have the resources to test the solutions and make things happen.
We have the demo day of the Journey. Now, the Journey is an open innovation program which gathers corporate partners with startups as a way to innovate, as a way to bring to the market things that startups are developing, maybe not directly with the customers, but to the forefront of tourism activity and just putting it out there.
It's a very important question. Does Europe want to be the first destination after the pandemic or the best?
We decided to include workshops in this edition to try to create moments of interaction and sharing between experts and people from businesses that really need to figure out how to change their business, how to adapt to the current challenges.
Come on, woo!
I think it's a good opportunity to think what is the model we want for the future in terms of sustainability, and how can we leverage that related to our more natural positioning as a country, and also leveraging our communities and our assets.
Technology seems to be the end. Technology is not the end. Technology is the enabler of the end, of the better hand, of a hand that we impact positively the society and will build, I would say, a better world.